Hello everyone, I'm Richa Dikshit and you're watching RDX. You must have definitely heard the name Rameshwaram either from your parents or your grandparents. Primarily because Rameshwaram is one of the dhaams of Hindu religion and is among the 12 Jyotirlings of India. The purpose of your life isn't fulfilled until you visit to all dhams. We woke up at 4:30 am and started for Rameshwaram by 6 am. It's my third dham as I have been to Badrinath and Jagannath Puri already. We randomly decided en route stopping at Sarvesh Inn. Just by looking at it, my instincts were right. This place serves delicious breakfast. Do not miss on ordering the onion uttapam here. It's extraordinary. To our surprise, the weather here is just awesome today, contrary to what we expected it to be hot and humid. If you are coming to Rameshwaram by your own vehicle, this is the only way to access Rameshwaram. You get the best view of iconic Pamban Bridge from the top of this bridge. Tourists often stop on top to take their photographs against the backdrop of Pamban Bridge. You can expect some traffic on this bridge due to this reason. Now we are crossing APJ Abdul Kalam's memorial. We didn't stop as we thought we will finish the Snan and Darshan first. Just before entering the city, we have to pay 100 rupees towards Rameswaram municipality. Speaking of which, it costed us nearly 1500 rupees in total as toll charges. It's 4:30 pm and we have reached our hotel but came to know that the temple will be closed tomorrow, so we will straight head towards temple now for Snan and Darshanam. From hotel till temple, we took auto as there is parking space issue near temple for private vehicles and it costed us nearly 100 rupees for 2 people. You can also avail two-wheeler rental services too. I'm giving the number for the same. As we are running late, so we quickly sprinkled holy water on us at Agni Tirtham. It is believed that first Kund or Tirtham lies submerged under the sea and hence the Snan ritual starts from taking a dip at Agni Tirtham. Agni Tirtham is just walking distance away from the main temple. The temple has 4 gates and all the 4 gates has different importance. Now it's time for 22 Kund Snanam. And all these kunds or tirthams are inside the premises of the main temple. We are heading towards the north gate, which is the only gate from where you can enter the Kund area. We moved towards the first Kund, which was Mahalakshmi Tirtham. We saw a fresh water well, a man standing on the top with a small bucket tied to a rope. In a few seconds, I figured out the drill and moved closer. With my hands folded, head down, eyes closed and lips continuously murmuring Om Namah Shivaya. I stood close enough to the Kund so that water could easily be poured over me. I was in middle of the anticipation when the men poured a bucket full of water over me. As my clothes got wet and heavy, but my body felt very light. For some reason, I found the water warm. This phenomenon is repeated 21 more times to complete the 22 Kund Snanam. These 22 kunds represent 22 arrows of Sri Rama. By the time we reached 22nd Kund, we were completely drenched. We were told specifically not to take bath in tap water and let the body soak the holy water and its healing properties. Make sure you carry dry clothes in waterproof bag which you can change after 22 Kund Snan. After Snan and changing clothes, hands folded taking baby steps, we moved ahead in the queue. In no time, we found ourselves standing in front of the beautiful Shivlingam. The black stone Shivlingam was shining in all its glory. You can only go up to a certain point. Then there are barricades to prevent from stepping ahead. In that moment, I found so much peace in my heart and took a deep breath and prayed for my family and loved ones' well-being. Then Panditji gave flower mala from Shivalingam to my husband and asked my husband to put that garland on me. And after that we took the blessings and came out of the temple overwhelmed with love. Just a few kilometers away from the main temple lies the famous Panchamukhi Hanuman temple. The 5 faces are the 5 manifestations of Lord Hanuman. So now we have arrived to Sri Panchamukhi Hanuman temple, and it is said stones used while Rama entered Sri Lanka, those floating stones are still present here. We will go inside and have a look to those floating stones too. According to legends, Hanuman took 5 forms to extinguish 5 lamps simultaneously so as to defeat the demon Ahiravana, who was the brother of Ravana. Located just 25 kilometers away from Rameshwaram, Dhanushkodi will leave you astounded with butter smooth roads with glistering water on the Bay of Bengal on one side and the Indian Ocean on the other. I couldn't get enough of the scenic view of the journey from Rameshwaram to Dhanushkodi. Legend has it that it was this very place where Lord Rama built a bridge Setu to Sri Lanka in order to get back goddess Sita from her abductor Ravana. After Lord Rama killed Ravana and came back to this port, Vibhishana came with an alarming query. He expressed his apprehensions of people coming from Sri Lanka to take revenge of Ravan's death. Considering he isn't as mighty as Lord Rama, he won't be able to fight back if someone comes from Sri Lanka. Listening to his concerns, Lord Rama pulled up his bow, Dhanush, and targeted it to the bridge, causing the bridge to collapse completely. That's how the place got its name, Dhanushkodi. This place is becoming more popular due to its extreme location and breathtaking natural beauty. Dhanushkodi is among one of the most fulfilling experiences of my life. Gandhamadhan Parvat. Legends say that Lord Sri Rama held meeting with Sugriv, Hanumanji and others to discuss how to build Ram Setu here only. From here only Hanumanji took leap towards Lanka in search of Sita Mata. It's a very small temple but very attractive, as from here you can have glimpse of whole Pamban Island Rameshwaram temples, and the view is just awesome and breathtaking. So in this single video, I have tried to cover each and every possible place that you can visit in one day trip to Rameshwaram. I have shared further details in description box too. Feel free to correct in comment box below. I would love to answer your questions with all of my love. That's it for today. We'll shortly come up with new video. Till then, take care. Thank you so much for your time, and you're watching RDX. If you like the video, then please do subscribe and press the bell icon, hit like and share the video. Thank you so much.